Hello, hello. Do you want buy the crypto Kekius Maximus? Okay, we are going to solve this. I buy this crypto step by step. Okay, this crypto has created recently in 2 hours. And you go to the coin market cap or your platform. And go to the search. You put Kekius. Here you select this, and here in this panel, we are going to the contracts, here, and this on Solana, you copy this, okay, and go to the your wallet, I have the extension Phantom Wallet here, and you go to the wallet, your wallet, and here go to the swap. Here in the swap, you put the Solana, and here you select this, and here in the search, you paste, okay, this, and go to the select the Kekius Maximus, and here you put the Solana, 0.1 per example, and here you have the amount, I get, for this, here if you have funds, you click to the buy, and you buy the Kekius Maximus, bye bye.